I've been with PCC for 3 years. I want to share with you a recipe for Hispanic Heritage Month. And here to help me with that is my mom. She's the owner here at La Joliet, where we're filming. The recipe I want to share with you is a recipe for Mexican street corn. I like it because you can have it alongside some tacos as a snack. It also just takes a few ingredients and a few minutes to make. So let's get started. Here to talk about the ingredients is my mom.
Hi, how are you? Today we're gonna use fresh corn. You can also use frozen. Mayonnaise, powdered cheese. Today, the one that we're using today is cotija. You can use Parmesan cheese, fresh crumbling cheese.
At its most basic, those three ingredients are really all you need. But I like to add a couple more things. So first you have your chili powder. I like this one because it's spicier, but a more popular option is tahini. Butter, of course, and then some people like to add lime as well. So now, listen. Now to take you through the recipe as well. Ready.
We're gonna start with boiling the water. Right here we have like a half gallon of water with a little bit of salt. What you can do is fill your corn. Let it boil, fast boil. 10-15 minutes. For the frozen corn, it only takes 5 minutes after your water is boiling.
While I wait for the cob to boil, we have some kernels already ready to go. So mom's going to show us the elote en vaso, or some people call it, esquites. So take it away, mom.
Thank you, Jose. The preparation is very simple. Just grab your corn as much as you want. I like it in a bowl. It's easy when you're eating it. Mayonnaise.
It's personal preference. You can put as little or as much as you want. I just like to form it in layers, so just a thin layer of mayo on top.
The powdered cheese. Like I said, we're using cotija. Cotija has a little strong flavor. That's why you can replace it with powdered cheese, queso fresco, or Parmesan cheese. Chili powder, a little bit of lime, water. Then, all done.
If you're fancy, don't forget you can always choose to garnish with a little bit of cilantro to get that extra look. And of course, turn it with a piece of lime. Amazing, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our corn looks about done, so our mom's going to show us how we prepare it when it's on the cob.
This is very simple. We have a little
Skewer.
wooden skewer. Put it in the back of the corn. Secure it. And then your mayo. You can use a little spatula. You can use a spoon. Whatever you feel comfortable doing it with. I like it with a lot of mayonnaise. That way the cheese stick.
Yeah, I prefer less mayo, just enough to get the cheese to stick. Nice, I do prefer a lot of cheese though.
Chili powder. A little bit of lime. Enjoy.
Thanks, Mom. So like you just saw, the recipe is very simple. In just a couple of minutes, we have our esquites and corn on the cob, and they both look ready to eat. Thanks again, Mom, for this recipe. I'm not gonna eat this on camera. I'm just gonna take this on the side and enjoy a good little snack. So.
Next time you're in Chicago, don't forget, stop by to enjoy the delicious corn or street elotes.